What's up, my crypto legends? In this video, I just want to talk about the new feature that Bybit has got, which is the Unified Trading Account, and how it could benefit you massively. We're going to go through quickly on the features and also how quick it is to make that upgrade. So what is Unified Trading Account? It is an improved account system that allows you to use 5 Bybit core trading products in one place, basically using spot trading, margin trading, and also derivatives such as USDT Perpetual, USDC Perpetual, and USDC Options. This is great to diversify and maximize your capital efficiency. How? Well, the profit and loss calculation of the 3 derivatives accounts such as USDC Perpetual, USDT Perpetual, and USDC Options are combined. So if you have a great trade on the USDT Perpetual and you have a great P&L, but the options trade is against you and your P&L is negative, they will be combined, and this could prevent you in potentially getting liquidated. The Unified Trading Account will collateralize over 60 supported assets, and the P&L that is in profit but you do not want to close that trade can be used to open new trade positions. Now that you know how the Unified Trading Account can level up your trading, it is time to upgrade. You just need to log in. If you do not have an account, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description with the best bonus available. You log in and you need to go to the spot trading account, and here on the top right it says upgrade now. As you can see here, this is the next step here to upgrade to your Unified Trading Account. But before continuing, you need to make sure a few things. You have to be free of pending activity, pending transfers, open positions, liquidations, leverage token subscriptions or redemptions, OTC lending, launchpad activity, crypto loans, buy votes, active liabilities, and trading events. If you want some more information before upgrading to the Unified Trading Account, you have a guide here at the bottom left. Once you click there, this will take you to this page. You have the introduction, how to get started, trading rules, and different information, okay, that you probably want to know. Now, by clicking on the next tab, to ensure that you are aware of the trading risks, you will have to pass a quiz before being able to upgrade to the Unified Trading Account. Once you answer all of these questions, you just click on to submit. And your next step is to ensure that you have no active orders or liabilities in spot accounts, and you need to accept the terms and conditions. Your account is now upgrading to a Unified Trading Account, and this process should only take around about 5 minutes. You'll be receiving an email saying that you have successfully upgraded to the Unified Trading Account. Now you just need to go to your Bybit homepage, and now you're all set with your new Unified Trading Account. And this is how you can unify all of these accounts. Make sure to read the guide, because once you upgrade, you cannot go back to the old account, guys. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.